Oh hey, it's you again. I'm getting ready for a road trip and I never travel without a handy snack. So together with Monte Kitchenomics, I'm making barbecue chicken and pineapple rice burrito. For the first step, we are going to cook the chicken. I am going to add our oil. Then I'm gonna add the onions, give it a quick saute, lemongrass, just sort of like sweat it out a bit. Then I'm going to add our chicken, so skin side down. Then I will add our Del Monte Quick and Easy Barbecue Marinade. Then I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. I'm just gonna cover it and wait for it till it boils. Now remove the chicken from the pot and add some cornstarch slurry to the marinade. So I will sear now the chicken dito sa ating griddle. So skin side down. I'm just gonna set this aside. Then I'm gonna start with our vegetables now. Grease a grill pan with a bit of olive oil. Add your vegetables and cook them till charred. Let's cook our onions next. I'm going to prepare the pineapple rice. Sauté garlic in olive oil until they are golden brown. Season it with some salt. Add cooked rice, black pepper. Cook it really well. Strain the Del Monte crushed pineapple. Add that pineapple into your rice. All right. The pineapple gave it a nice sweetness, refreshing. All right, my favorite part, assembling. So first thing we do is we slice our chicken. Let's slice the vegetables. Same shape as the chicken. Onions. Now on a clean separate board, I have here a tortilla wrapper. First, rice, yung ating pineapple garlic rice, chicken, on top of the rice, bell pepper, green, onions, cheese beside the rice, 2 strips of cheese. We'll add the sauce over the chicken, some crispy bacon for some crunch. Then tuck both sides like this and roll forward, like so. Now we heat the burritos in a grill pan and we want to lightly crisp the tortilla. It's no secret that I love to travel, and summer is the perfect time for it. What better way to make experiences extra memorable than with great food? We're just about done. Transfer it here. You can wrap your delicious burrito with wax paper. Slice it in the middle. And it's ready to go. Serve with a barbecue sauce on the side. Let's give it a bite. This quick and easy barbecue marinade went really well with the lemongrass we added. The pineapple gave it a nice sweetness, refreshing. I'd eat this again. Don't be afraid to mix it up, or in this case, roll up something with a surprising twist. With Monte Kitchenomics, you might just surprise your family and yourself with your creativity. You can find this recipe here and watch here for other recipes I've created with Monte Kitchenomics. Thank you mga ka-kitch and happy cooking!